Do you follow? Hindi mo buo ni siya sa sayop gini kay diri raman diri unta ni. So, what will happen? Mo increase ni siya this much iyang height.
Imagine na lang sa.
Dili, yung realization lang like if ato ning i-try og project munaog maning base diri naman ko'y lugar.
Pero same lagi po siya.
Yeah, ang object dili it doesn't change nga kuan. Ang height lang erroneous na siya. So, ngano naka-realize ko pag project na ako nakabantay mo ko na mubuan na ni diri ra unta. So, but then let's continue with that error lang for purposes of finishing the construction. Assuming na sakto siya. Okay. So, dagan gyapon ka and then what's your next point kaniman? So meaning mo na ni imong height sa kani nga box.
Kadagan siya sir. Ug asa yang kuan.
Kani imo lang ipangita sa plan which is pag imo nang tan-aw diri kanina. So, i-project nimo na imong i-create ang height. Then and then so na nakatiyo sa notice dara ay mo na ayahang kani pero mo bo naon ta na diri ubos kung nasakto pa na let's continue with the tower kani sakto jud ni kani pataas sakto ni kay kuan man kanang natungod naman. Okay, so if that's the tower, going back again to ML, repeat the same process. Babaw na. And then, find ang ihang isa ka component which is ani. Okay. And then the other component going down is kapita tamahuman this one. So drop down to the base, i-construct lang tanan, and then the other side which is ano and this one which is so constructed na ang tower. Now we need the X-ray line, meaning the hidden line beyond or beneath, because we have to locate the corner para sa roof. So hindi mo nang i-construct uphill. Okay, and then we have component kanina. Okay, next is kuhaan mong cornering to get the center point. So, makuha na rin mo ang center, ang apex. Imong next problem is ang height niya nga. Well, now this is another tricky thing because from the plan, imong pangitaon asa ang sides nga mo center siya. So, by cornering nakuha na to ang kanino, but you have to extend a line to the edge kani para makita nimo yung actual location. And then get the sight line ana nga part, drop it down. Now, so after projection, all you have to do from the measuring line, from which is this one, you only to locate this kaning apart. Okay? They are at the same edge man. No? Naman siya sa the same edge. Tayo pa ha. ML, and then okay. Ang tower na sa corner. Okay. Yeah. Okay, asa siya nga corner? Kanina. Nana mo na edge sa building. And then ang usa, ang iyang component is bakit floating man na adere. So kung imong tan-aw sa surface kanina nga edge o kanina edge, but where is the midpoint? Kanina dira. Okay? Do you follow? It from here, kani which is kani, it transfer ni mo diri. Nagka-complicated na no? Some na, tamo dyan na inyong i-figure out. Okay.
Sorry.
So, from here sa edge, imong gibutang sa center. Asa tong center pag cornering na to, di ara. So, meaning, kanina. Kanina. You can now construct your roof. Okay? Esposa. Tara. Bantayan ng dyan ni guys. Kidaghan dyan malipat. So, your pyramid, mo na imong corner sa building. Mo ng corner. So, your pyramid form is kani. So, forma ng perspective sa top. I know, galibog na mo.
Yes.
Yes,
Galibog na.
exactly. Okay, ang yung mga kilay, klaro tayo.
Replace it.
Sige lang, figure that out. Figure that out. Yun. Daghan naman good lines, no? But this will push you on thinking deeper. Ano na nakanindot aning exercise. Wag di na thinking. Overthinking na na. Now, the next question is, how would you make the kanang vanishing point of the roof? Di ba? You notice na i-line. Na sa spacing of 0.5 all sides. So, first, kuhaon ang vanishing point. The way you get vanishing point, okay, for example, this roof, akong i-freehand lang. If this is your roof perspective, just vanish a line to the vanishing point and then get the corner center, and then that line is your guide to move to the above. Okay, let's do this here. Let's do that here. Ini, dili kinalansok doon. Basta traverse a line from corner to corner. Get the midpoint through cornering. And then that point, guide that point to the apex of the roof, going up until it intersects this line. You follow? Kana siya diagonal vanishing point 1. DVP 1. Okay?
Grabe. Dako.